where I'm in the middle of the Gulf Stream, 20 miles out. I'm in a 17-foot skiff. Sounds crazy? No way. My buddy Jonah, we just split ways. He's continuing on his journey to the Bahamas in a 13-foot bass boat. 13-foot bass boat, solo crossing, 25 tiller. Yes, this is the episode you are not going to want to miss. Enjoy, and you know what? I'm not even going to tell you to subscribe because we have so much good stuff coming your way. Enjoy. We're not going twins. We're going trips on Project Potcake. So we're gonna make our guesses. Yeah, this is what we're doing. What do you think, mile per hour? Yeah, I got mine.
I think I got mine.
They say, if you can't tie a knot, tie a lot. Hi, and welcome to DIY Waterworld. My name is Forrest, and in this short episode, you're going to see a preview of future episodes to come, as well as get a taste for what this channel is all about and the direction we're headed. So, what exactly is DIY Waterworld? What is the do-it-yourself part? Well, that's gonna vary for each one of you, and it really comes down to a simple question. That question is, what is that water world you dream of? Is it learning how to snorkel, exploring some local freshwater springs or the ocean, or fixing up an old project boat that's been sitting in your yard, or doing a complete mind-altering transformation of an existing boat you already have? Or maybe it's planning that epic bucket list trip, island hopping and adventuring. Whatever your water world is, we want to help you create it. We want to help you build it. So, welcome to our channel. I'm so excited to share with you our own water world, meet some of our incredible friends along the way, and show you how we do it all on a budget. So if you think this channel is for you, we'd love for you to subscribe, check out our future episodes, and comment on what things you'd like to see in some upcoming episodes. Thank you so much for watching, and we look forward to hearing from you. So we made the executive decision. We're going big. We're not going home.